Hi, my name is Kim Cullen and I'm a Winter Park personal injury attorney. Sometimes we talk to potential clients about accidents and they say, well, don't I need a big firm? I have a pretty big case, so don't I need a big firm to handle my big case? And the first thing that we tell them is that that's actually a very personal decision, a decision that they're going to need to make on their own, but there are a couple of factors that they should think about before they decide to hire a big firm to handle their supposedly big case. The first thing that they need to know about these big firms is that with a big firm there's normally big turnover. So that means that the person or persons who are originally assigned to your case may not be the people who are involved in your case when it comes down to crunch time, when it comes down to either trying to get your case resolved or mediated or even tried. In many instances, if you start with a firm and 2 or 3 years later you're on the courthouse steps, you're going to be involved with a different lawyer or paralegal or both than what you were involved with when you first began the case. The second thing that you need to think about when you're thinking about hiring a big firm is maybe back in the old days a big firm was necessary because they had perhaps a production department, a department that could make displays and blow-ups and things like that. Well, almost all of that can be done by out-of-house or subcontractor agencies, and even some of the best ones of those are not even in the local Central Florida area. For instance, one of the best medical illustrators that exists in the country is in Jacksonville, Florida. And so we can easily have them prepare something for us and have them email it to us within about an hour or 2 hours sometimes if we need something for a case. So it's no longer necessary for you to have a big infrastructure and tons of staff involved in the case in order to have a good result and have a nice streamlined presentation of your case. The third thing that you need to think about when you're thinking about hiring that big firm for your big case is that a lot of the big firms work on big volume, meaning they turn over hundreds if not thousands of cases every year. So you have to really consider, is your case one that this particular big firm is going to put a lot of its time and resources and attention to, making sure that they maximize that result for your benefit? Or is your case going to be one of thousands that they're going to handle this year, and something that somebody who's facing a quota is just going to try to get rid of at the end of a month in order so they can make their numbers? So before you hire a big firm for your big case, you need to think about these factors, and there are probably others as well. If you have any questions about the factors that you want to think about before you decide which law firm to hire, or the questions that you might want to ask a law firm or lawyers before you hire them on a case, please call us at our office at 407-254-4901 or visit our website at cullen-hemphill.com.